Hi, today I wanted to go over some of our drip marketing campaign options. So from the admin menu here, you're going to go to communication and then drip marketing. And on here, you can add a new program or edit an existing program if you already have them. In this case, I'm just going to edit an existing one because this process is the exact same. But before I do that, you'll see that for these drip marketing campaigns, you have a name column, a trigger column, as well as a function column. With the triggers, you'll see the various options that were selected for this as to what it is that would trigger the message for the drip marketing campaigns to be sent to the recipients. And then in the right side for the functions, you have change, delete, and scheduled. So we're going to start by looking at this test drip one down here at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and click change. You'll see what I set the program name to, who it's from, the from email, and then here is just a series of checkboxes that you can select as to what the triggers would be. You can also select this effective date scheduling if you want, but we're going to leave this unchecked for the time being. Then click continue here. Here you'll see what the messages are that currently exist, which is a test renew message and then a test message. And this will be 0 days out, so the day that they're enrolled in that drip marketing campaign, this would go out. And then 10 days later, this also would go out. If you want to add a new message, you can do that by clicking this add new message. The days out option here, this is a very important piece because here you can actually make this a negative number if you want, meaning this many days up to this point. So if you want to do renewal reminders, for example, you could set this for, let's say, -25, and that would be 25 days before the renewal would be due. An email would be sent out to the person. You can CC other people. You can override the from email, the from name. If you want to use the wrapper from broadcast messaging, you can check this box here and it'll include the header and border from the broadcast message, the subject line, the message, and down here, all of these are basically just little replacement keys. So you can go ahead and type up your message. You can make it more personalized by including these replacement keys, and it'll personalize it to the recipient. So I'll go ahead and do back here. Then if you want to look at the stats for any of these, you can just click on stats. In this case, the message hasn't been opened before, but you can click on this click here to view recipient details, and it also would show you the various information here if it's been gone through. If we click on change here, you'll see that this is the exact same thing as creating a new one. Here you have test message, member first name and last name replacement keys. Then if you want to preview the message using the record that you're signed in as, you can do that here. You'll see in this case it's showing that there's the renewal dues. Here's the test message, first name, last name, and then other pieces of information as well. It will also include a link here for the option for people to unsubscribe, which then in their member record would make it so that they're suppressing broadcast messages. So from here you can click on continue, and all that would be left here is just this delete option, which obviously will just remove that message from being here. And that's all there is to creating one of these. Now if you want to enroll people, you can do this on an individual basis by going to your member database. And then here you can just click on this information icon, do contacts tab, and then here you do contacts and click this link here that's edit contacts, admin reminders, drip messages. And in here, you'll see that there's a few different options. You have contacts, admin reminders, drip marketing, cross-reference records, recent invoices. So in here for the drip marketing, you would just click this drop down, select your drip marketing campaign and click on add, and it then would add in that campaign to this individual. Here you can see that they've already been enrolled in a couple of these, and it shows scheduled and sent dates, as well as what the program or message subject is that they had received. Hopefully you found this to be helpful, and if you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us. Thanks. Have a great day.